is Delcie with episode 7 of On the Way Up.
Hey, get out of my crate!
Oh, sorry. Hey, better get back to work. So I am here at the top of the mountain with Ignacio Lopez from Ignacio's Concrete LLC. Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you so much for taking time out. I know you're really busy. Ignacio, are you based out of Wenatchee?
We are based out of Wenatchee. We're a local company, a small company, but yes.
And how long have you had this company?
We started our company in 2005.
How many folks did you have with you at that point in time when you started out?
I started my own. Took me a few months and I hired an employee and start growing from there.
And have you ever worked at a ski area before doing any of this type of work?
Never. And it's been so fun being able to be part of a project like this.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and I think this is going to be one of those memorable projects.
And how has it been working with the Mission Ridge team?
It's great. I was wondering actually if the environment up here is, most of you guys are so nice and calm.
And calm?
It's just, yeah, I mean, I work with a lot of great people, but somehow it feels different up here with you guys.
Yeah.
Mission Ridge team, it's great. It's awesome.
Oh, that's nice to hear. Thanks. I'm really glad that we were able to contract with you and start this relationship, and hopefully this will be a relationship that continues into the future with other projects that we have up here.
Thank you. I'm so grateful being part of it. Again, I think this is one of those projects that I will remember for a very long time.
Awesome. Ignacio, thank you so much for taking time to chat with us.
Thank you guys.
We're back at the summit to give you an update on the upper terminal. Ignacio's crew is pouring the upper terminal walls today, 20 trucks worth. The last time you saw this, you saw the 2 columns that are inside. Now it's going to be the foundation walls, so we're about ready to start building the upper terminal. But seriously, folks, this crane right here is what we're going to use in order to set the towers. And we're going to start that process today. And the man that's going to do it is right here. This is Andrew, shipped all the way in from Bend.
Very historical moment right now. We're about ready to set our first tower, Tower 8.
Welcome to Mission Ridge. Episode 7 is fueled by Garlini's. My name is Jonathan Melby. I've spent 2 winters here. This is my first summer. I'm a new full-time employee and I work for lift maintenance. Currently this summer I have done a lot of different things. Right now we are assembling the yokes, the shiv terrains, and rebuilding the consoles to start threading the haul rope.
My name's Jim Larson. I've been here 25 years in October, and my position is mountain operations. I help all the departments. Running heavy equipment, digging the tower pads, digging the foundations, tying rebar, whatever it takes, whatever we have to do.
Coolest thing I've seen this summer was cutting the comm lines on top of the towers, snapping them and just watching the towers whip back and forth. It was absolutely incredible.
Too many to say, honestly. We've done a lot of fun things. We're moving entire buildings, just all of it. This is my second go around putting in a chairlift up at Mission Ridge, and it's always very interesting. You always learn something too.
Believe it or not, the start of snowmaking is just a few short weeks away. You know we always push hard to get open as early as possible, regardless if that's with chairs 1, 2, and 3, or all chairs in operation. This season, our targeted opening day is the day after Thanksgiving, Black Friday, November 27th. And this winter, there's also a chance that we'll have the opportunity to hit the slopes before the Chair 2 install is quite complete. There's also a chance that this project may run into December, and you know what? That's okay. This project is more than just about this season. The Mission Ridge team is dedicated to improving the experience and long-term reliability of Chair 2, not just for the 2021 season, but for many, many seasons to come. Our goal is to have it ready to go at least by the Christmas holiday stretch, if not before. Our video series, On the Way Up, will continue with detailed project updates every other week. And in future episodes, we will dive into what makes this chair unlike any other chair in the Pacific Northwest, while continuing to highlight the hardworking men and women, my teammates, with the vision that they are turning into reality for you. Well, that's all I have for you for this episode. I better get back at it. We'll see you next time on The Way Up.